Yes, good morning to all of you. Myself, Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the multi-cavity klystron here. In our previous lecture, we discussed about the two-cavity klystron. So, in that particular two-cavity klystron, we discussed that there is a buncher cavity, there is a catcher cavity, and how the amplification of the signal takes place, and the microwaves are generated with the help of two-cavity klystrons. Right. So, we already studied the case of early electron, reference electron, and the late electron, and we already discussed the bunching process which is take place within the drift space between buncher cavity and the catcher cavity. Now in this particular lecture we are going to discuss about the multi-cavity klystron. Why it is called as the multi-cavity klystron? Because the number of cavities are increased here. In our previous session we discussed within two cavity klystron session we discussed that there is only one buncher cavity and one catcher cavity. So name of that particular klystron, it is called as two cavity klystron. Now what here we are doing, we are increasing the total number of cavities. Now here you are observing four cavities are present here. So in that particular four cavity, first one is the buncher cavity, and remaining all are nothing but the neighborhood cavities of the buncher cavity. Now basically in this particular, why we are going to design such a kind of multi cavity klystron, because that the two cavity klystron has a gain of 10 to 20 dB, right? And suppose if we want to enhance that particular gain, we have to increase the number of cavities. So a higher overall gain can be achieved by connecting several two cavity tubes in cascade and feeding the output of each tube to the input of the succeeding. So instead of multiple number of cavities can be used as in a multi-cavity klystron as shown in figure. Now here each intermediate cavity act as a buncher cavity, passing electron beam inducing an enhanced RF voltage than the previous activity. So this is your buncher cavity, this is your buncher cavity. So every intermediate activity, it is nothing but the buncher cavity, and which is applicable for the bunching process. So every time whatever the voltage we are getting, an enhanced voltage we will get at this particular cavity, again enhanced voltage we will get at this particular cavity, so that the overall gain of this particular output itself gets increased, and we get up to 45 to 50 dB gain in this particular multi-cavity klystron. Now with the four cavities, the power gain of around 50 dB can be easily achieved, and the cavities can all be tuned to the same frequencies for the narrowband operation. The bandwidth can be improved by stager tuning cavities up to 80 megahertz, of course, with the reduction of the gain. So the only basic achievement regarding this particular multi-cavity klystron is nothing but the gain of the output, it is improved. So in two cavity klystron, if the gain it is 10 to 20 dB, then in multi cavity we can get 45 dB to 50 dB gain. Now as you are observing here, the electron gun is there, then anode is there. So this is your buncher cavity one, and last one is nothing but your catcher cavity. So all intermediate cavities are also act as a buncher cavity. Now whatever the signal which we want to amplify, it is given to the RF in. So within these two tubes there is a drift space, within these two tubes there is a drift space. So within this particular, suppose some X voltage we will get here, amplified X voltage. Now in second intermediate stage, this RF voltage gets enhanced one, so enhanced voltage we will get here. Then also for the third stage, once again the voltage get enhanced, so the enhanced voltage we will get, and finally this voltage come out to this RF output. Now there is a collector, as we already discussed, it is positively charged collector is there to attract electrons emitted from this particular electron gun. So this one is the anode terminal, this is the collector terminal, and within this anode and collector the 4 cavities are designed for enhancing gain and making the signal a high gain signal, right? So this is all about the multi cavity klystron amplifier. So thank you very much.